Hibiscus tea is an herbal tea made as an infusion from crimson or deep magenta-colored calyces of the roselle, Hibiscus sabdarifa, flower. It is tart, bright red and tangy, and either be served hot or cold. The tea has a deep crimson color and a tart, lemony flavor. Here are 7 mind-blowing benefits of hibiscus tea. 1. It's a great source of antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are important for our health as they help to protect our cells from damage. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help to protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing damage. Hibiscus tea is a great source of antioxidants that can help to protect our cells from damage. 2. It supports a healthy heart. Hibiscus tea can help to support a healthy heart. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease. Hibiscus tea can also help to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease. Hibiscus tea can help to support a healthy heart by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 3. Helps to lower blood pressure. Hibiscus tea can help to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that hibiscus tea can help to lower systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points and diastolic blood pressure by up to 5 points. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease. Hibiscus tea can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Aids in digestion. Hibiscus tea can help to aid in digestion. Hibiscus tea can help to stimulate the production of stomach acid. Stomach acid is important for the digestion of food. Hibiscus tea can also help to increase the production of bile. Bile is a fluid that helps to break down fats. Hibiscus tea can help to aid in digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acid and increasing the production of bile. 5. Helps to boost the immune system. Hibiscus tea can help to boost the immune system. Hibiscus tea is a good source of vitamin C, an important nutrient that helps to boost the immune system. Hibiscus tea can also help to increase the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are important for fighting infection. Hibiscus tea can help to boost the immune system by providing vitamin C and increasing the production of white blood cells. 6. Helps to fight inflammation. Hibiscus tea can help to fight inflammation. Hibiscus tea is a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and prevent them from causing damage. Free radicals can cause inflammation. Hibiscus tea can help to fight inflammation by providing antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. 7. Aids in weight loss. Hibiscus tea can help to aid in weight loss. Hibiscus tea can help to increase metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which our body breaks down food and converts it into energy. Hibiscus tea can also help to reduce appetite. A reduction in appetite can lead to weight loss. Hibiscus tea can help to aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism and reducing appetite.